Hey, Dr. Brad Nelson here, author of The Emotion Code. And I just got a box in the mail that I'm going to open here with you. We're going to see what's inside of this box. I've been waiting for this box for quite a long time, actually for years and years and years. And yes, sure enough, here it is. It's The Body Code. The book, finally, is coming out mid-February. The subtitle is Unlocking Your Body's Ability to Heal Itself. This is going to change a lot of lives all over the world. I think you're going to love it. You can pre-order now on Amazon or Barnes & Noble or any of the booksellers that you like to go to. It comes out in mid-February. Okay, so go ahead and order your copy now. Get in line for it. I think you're going to really love it. And we'll see you. Thank you.